Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If the headlights are only slightly foggy, you can try and restore them using an abrasive, like toothpaste, and lots of scrubbing. First, clean the headlights with Windex or soap and water. Then, using a soft cloth, rub a fingertip amount of toothpaste onto the wet headlight. Toothpaste with baking soda works best.
Let's help you make your mark.
Apply WD-40 to car headlights. Apply a generous amount of WD-40 multi-use product onto a clean cloth. Then, using the cloth, wipe the surface of the headlight meticulously, making sure you cover the entire surface of the headlight.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can WD-40 be used to clean foggy headlights? In case you have an upcoming car test, and you are wondering if you can quickly defog your headlights for approval, the answer is yes. It can be used as a car headlight cleaner.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.